Please be welcome to the Nero MediaHome Deep Dive session. Nero MediaHome is your all-in-one media manager. In the next 30 minutes, you will get a general overview what Nero MediaHome can do for you and how to use it. There is a free version of Nero MediaHome available for download, and most of the features you see here are included. The first thing we should do in a media manager is to import some media to it. As you can see on the screen, it starts with some demo content, but actually we want to have our own stuff in, and that's what we will do now. We can remove the demo content from the media library and add our own media files. We start with pictures first. You can define for each folder you import if there are photos, videos, and music included. And of course, one folder can also have different media types inside. But for this one, it only has photos. So I only choose photos and I import them. What you are seeing now is a progress bar here, and Nero MediaHome will go through all the pictures we just added, and it will create a nice thumbnail view for you. On the right, you can see the date when the stuff was recorded with this categories here or small bullets. You see if there's a lot of content, the bullet is a bit bigger. If it's a smaller amount of content, it's smaller. So we have now a couple of years imported and it's still generating thumbnails. But even while this is ongoing, you can already browse the library. There are some nice photos here, and you can note there's a little red thing here in the corner, which is the geotagging indicator. That means basically these photos have places information. They are shot with the iPhone. And this is actually a very nice feature. You can expand the sidebar and see immediately where the photo was shot. And if the photo has no such information, you can also add it later. But we will come to this after importing. That's about the photos. Now let's also throw in some videos. Here you need to go to the options. There's also a mode for automatic import, but I always use this one because it's more under control for me. I don't like the automatic stuff for videos. There's a special thing for video files. You can have my videos or your personal videos, but you can have also folders with movies and TV shows. I am using videos I shot with my iPhone here, and they will be imported now and they will be added under my videos. And of course, you can add zillions of photos and videos. The import will take longer, but overall Nero MediaHome is really made to support a lot of files in here. There are users, they have 200,000 music files and 20 gigabytes, 30 gigabytes, 40 gigabytes or more of photos, and it's no problem at all. So much about videos for now. In the next video, we will have a closer look at music and movies. Stay tuned.